we are so glad that you are with us again today. Actually, Dean just ran an errand and he'll be right back. As you can tell, we are at work. And that's what we wanted to talk to you guys about today. As you know, as full-time RVers, we stop a couple times a year to work. And one of the places that we love to work is Smithville Lake near Kansas City. And one reason is because our family lives here, but also because it's a gorgeous area and the campgrounds are fabulous, but we need your help.
Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
So a couple years ago, I think it was a couple years ago, I'm not sure if you remember, if you saw it, but I did a video about working here and kind of some of the things that I do when I work here. And I'll go ahead and link that video for you right up here so you can check it out. Then I was doing mostly the outside job. There's two parts of this job. One is the inside, kind of working in the office or the booth and working on the computer and working with the guest. And the other one is the outside job, putt-putting around and making sure everybody's okay, pulling tags, posting tags, that kind of thing. So this year I'm trying to learn the inside job more, and Dean is working outside a little bit more. But like I said at the beginning, we need your help, and that is that the campgrounds, there's two campgrounds, Camp Branch and Crows Creek. There's about almost 400 sites in Camp Branch and around 400 sites in Crows Creek, so it takes at least 4 couples to work the two campgrounds, and right now we've only got 2 couples as far as I know. So we're needing a couple of more couples to work here with us. So if you don't have a summer job yet, we would love to have you join us. We will leave some contact information in the description below if you have not taken a summer job yet and are looking. So like I said, I'll link the video that shows a little bit about what the outside person does. But in here, you know, we take reservations and we check people in when they drive up to the little window here, and they buy firewood and ice, and it's really pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. So if you're looking for something, it's all hours paid, and you get your site, of course, and it's a gorgeous little campground, and we love it. Dean's just pulling in right now. He might have something he wants to chit chat with you about.
In a little bit, I'm just gonna kind of drive around the campground, make sure everything's good, see if anybody has any questions. Sometimes you'll see people out not sure what they're doing or whatever, and they'll just stop. They'll see my orange shirt and say, hey, can I do this? Can I do that? Where do I do this? Where can I get that?
Yeah, not many people here right now because it's pretty early in the season, but you were helping a guy the other day, like learn about his camp.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes we get newbies in, first-time RVers, and they just come in and say, hey, I really have no idea what I'm doing. Can you help me out? Where do I get my water? I just go over and take them through the ropes and kind of show them how it's all done.
You love that part, huh?
I do.
I love doing that.
Yeah, because they always feel so bad, but we've all been there before. We've all, you know, been a newbie at one time or another, and somebody had to teach us. So
yeah. So you hang tags, pull tags. You've already done that today, yeah?
Yes, I have. Yeah. And first thing in the morning, we'll just go and just check to see if anyone's got into the campground that hasn't paid yet, just to go ahead and collect the fee. Just little things. At 11 o'clock, we'll go around and check to make sure everybody's leaving at the right time.
Do you kick them out?
Yeah, sometimes you don't really have to kick them out, but you just remind them that, hey, checkout time is at 11, and then they usually go, oh, I had no idea. But yeah.
Tell us, Mr. Grassy, do you enjoy your job?
I really enjoy this job a lot. Cool. It is by far one of my absolute favorite of all the work camping jobs that we do.
Yeah, you were actually telling me that for real yesterday, that it's one of your favorite ones.
Yeah, definitely is.
Cool. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today. If this looks like something that you would be interested in and you want to come and work with us.
Or someone you know.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're hired by a temp agency called Penmac, and we'll put that in like their contact information in the description below. Is there anything else?
I think that's the main thing. We just would love to see you out here. Quilters, non-quilters alike. Quilters, hey, if you came out here,
oh, yeah.
Maybe we can do some quilting together.
Yeah, because we've got some RV quilting friends, so if you need a job, you can come out and hang out with us and do some quilting and some working at the same time. All right, so hopefully we will see you guys soon. Until then, this is GrassRoots Living reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare.